हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और वीडियो की टाइटल से आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि इस वीडियो में आज क्या होने वाला है। तो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ आई रियली गॉट टू नो दैट आई एम प्रेग्नेंट फॉर द सेकंड टाइम। पहली प्रेगनेंसी की जैसा नहीं था ये बिल्कुल भी। एंड लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई गॉट प्रेग्नेंट वी हैड जस्ट स्टार्टेड trying, and the very next month I got pregnant. So even that was a planned pregnancy, and even this was. But then this time around we'd been planning for around 10-11 months. It's just that Sagar was always traveling, we were not getting our timing right, and all of that stuff was happening. But I had lost hope, and I thought probably in a month or two I'll just consult a fertility doctor, because probably because of my age now, it's difficult to conceive. So I'm 33. So I thought probably this is one reason. So I had lost all hopes. But then Holi ka din aaya, and it was a Monday, and generally Mondays quite fast on Mondays. And I am a typical Marwadi. So we were supposed to take Doras, and we did all that puja and all, and we came back. And I was supposed to fast, so I shouldn't have eaten anything. But that day, I just couldn't control my hunger, and I ate breakfast. After that, I thought कि probably चलो it's probably Holi vibe. That's why I couldn't fast today. So I missed my fast, enjoyed Holi, and got wasted with my friends and party from morning till evening, and it was a fun day. Then the next day, I suddenly got so hungry in the morning, and my taste buds had gone for a toss, and I didn't know. I had a hunch probably that it could be pregnancy. So I took a home pregnancy test, but it was negative. So I just couldn't figure out. I thought of consulting a doctor regarding this. If मेरे taste bud एकदम से ऐसे खराब क्यों हो गए, and everything that I'm tasting is so कड़वा that I don't want to eat anything, drink anything. But then I decided to wait for a day or two, क्योंकि sometimes home pregnancy test में pregnancy detect होने में थोड़ा time लगता है. So I waited. I took the test every day, but it was coming out to be negative every day. So now on the 3rd of March, it was my period date, and I never miss my periods if it's a particular date. I have a 28 days cycle, so I always get my periods on time. That's what I used to always get my periods on time. So that means I was, absolutely fine. I missed not exactly missed, it was my period date on the 3rd of April. So I took the test, and it was a very bleak line. I'll just show you. So yeah, can you guys see? That's how bleak the line was. And I was again not sure, but then I read about it on Google, and it said that however bleak the line is, if you see double lines, that means you're pregnant. So now I was quite sure, and after my first pregnancy I realized that these home pregnancy tests are quite accurate, and you don't really need to undergo a blood test to be doubly sure. But if your doctor recommends, then why not? Then I consulted the doctor, and the entire process of my first trimester started. But yeah, then I start telling this to everyone in the family, and everyone was so happy, especially my husband. My husband had a very weird reaction to this, and when I showed him, and he was so happy that now I'm going to travel the world without you. But yes, I am so happy that it happened naturally. We conceived naturally, and yes, I'm grateful for everything. But my pregnancy journey from then, last I conceived was in 2017, when my daughter was born. She's 6 now. And my pregnancy journey then and now is quite different. Then I did not have to take sustained medicines for sustaining the child because of my age. And then I did not have to take progesterone and injections to sustain the baby. But now, because of the age, doctors want to be on the safer side, and they like suggest you these tablets and injections. This was different. Otherwise, thankfully, मुझे कोई nausea नहीं हुआ, कोई vomiting नहीं हुई. Fatigue था, but then it was also tolerable. Nothing intolerable happened like my first pregnancy, and it was quite smooth. It is quite smooth so far, and I am soon to enter my second trimester. So yes, I'm excited, and I'm super excited for the fact that I'm able to eat anything that I want. You guys, I have been on diets, all sorts of diets for the longest time. So you will not believe how much I'm enjoying eating normal food and gaining weight and all of that. Asha, there are so many friends and family. I'm sure they do not know about my pregnancy till now, and because थोड़ा सा orthodox क्या कह लो या फिर थोड़ा superstitious कह लो कि we don't tell this once you finish your 3 months, so I haven't told anyone. But अब वीडियो के बाद तो आई एम श्योर सबको पता चलने ही वाला है. बट इन माई डिफेंस मैंने मेजर 2 रीजन्स के वजह से आई डिड नॉट टेल दिस टाइम अराउंड. लास्ट टाइम अराउंड आई वॉज वेरी casual and I told everyone about it without caring, and that's what everything went smooth also. But this time around I tested positive on the 3rd of April और 4th of April मेरा पूरा हॉस्पिटल में निकला. I suddenly had this severe stomach pain, intolerable, at 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and I had to rush to the hospital, get admitted, get painkiller injections, and the gist of it was that I had urine infection and that had to be treated. So but then it was so sudden that I got really scared, and everyone in the family got really scared, and they wanted to keep it to themselves till the time we were like sure that this is like happening. And then secondly, after 10-15 days everything was normal, and I resumed my tablets, regular pregnancy tablets, and everything was happening normally. And the second reason was that before this pregnancy we had planned this Bali trip, but then I got pregnant, and मेरा Bali trip होने वाला था after 12th week of my pregnancy. So we'd been regularly consulting the doctor whether to go to Bali or not, and she was quite sure that you can go to Bali. It's just that don't exert yourself, relax and chill there. We went ahead with our Bali trip, and I was super careful there, and it was a fun trip. But then I really wanted to come back from Bali and then disclose this to everyone, because I just wanted to be sure that everything went well in Bali, and I had my own superstitions this time around, so I just couldn't tell. But then I think now I'm in a place to tell everyone, disclose the world that I am pregnant, and I'm having such a great time being pregnant. So yes, that's how it was, and I'm going to be sharing a lot of pregnancy related videos, you guys. Probably my next video is going to be a day in my first trimester, and a lot more to follow. I have a lot in mind. So yes, stay tuned, and if you're someone who is sharing the journey with me, and especially if you're in your 30s, then do follow, do subscribe, and do watch all my videos. Reels और shorts तो चलता ही रहता है, पर this long format. This is my first long format video in the longest time, and it's going to be all about pregnancy. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, like and share below your thoughts. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.